Hello everyone, this question appears in class 6th NCERT chapter of decimal. This is second question of its exercise 8.3. So the question says that make 5 example and find the greater number from them. So examples लेते हैं. First 0.2 and 0.5. Second 1.25, 3.75. Third 4.9, 11.12. Fourth 0.006 and 0.060. Fifth is 0.07 and 0.70. So here whole part is same and 10th place पे चेक करेंगे. देन यहाँ पर है 2 and the other side 5. So 5 is greater than 2. So 0.5 is greater than 0.2. यहाँ पे make 5 examples. तो हमें 5 example हमने लिए हैं. हम डिसाइड करेंगे which one is greater. Second 1.25 and 3.75. So firstly हम whole part चेक करेंगे. Here 1 and here 3. So 3 is greater than 1. So 1.25 is less than 3.75. 4.9 and 11.12. So whole part is 4 and here whole part is 11. So 11 is greater than 4. So 4.9 is less than 11.12. Fourth 0.006 and 0.060. So whole part same है 0. 10th place पे चेक करेंगे both side 0. 100th place पे चेक करेंगे यहाँ 0 है यहाँ 6 है. So 6 is greater than 0. So 0.006 is less than 0.60. 5. Fifth 0.07 and 0.70. So 0 both side whole number same है. 10th place चेक करेंगे यहाँ 0 है यहाँ 7 है. So 7 is greater than 0. So 0.07 is less than 0.70. Thank you.